Okay, Tawar, you know the video we just watched? The video with the teacher and the students? Remember? Hi, my name is Martina. Or my name is
Jolly
Okay, so we are going to practice listening and we are going to decide, is this yes, this true, this happened in the movie, or no, this did not happen. Mrs. Carter is a math teacher. Yes or no? Yes or no? Mrs. Carter is a math teacher. Yes or no? Tawar, are you playing video game? Tawar!
Teacher.
Is Miss Carter
No.
math teacher or English teacher? The girl with the soccer ball. Okay, let's try number 1. It says, Jorge's last name is Hernandez. Is he Jorge Hernandez? Yes or no? Jorge Hernandez? Yes or no?
No.
Good. No, well, actually, his name is Jorge Hernandez. I'm just happy you're answering me. Jorge Hernandez is the boy's name. How about Alejandra? Is Alejandra last name or is she first name?
Ale is Alan. No.
Correct. Alejandra is first name. Does Lynn spell her name? Does Lynn say L-I-N, my name Lynn? Does she spell her name or no? Does Lynn spell?
Yes,
She does not spell her name. She just says her name. Lynn Chen. How about Farouk? Is Farouk's first name? F-A-R-O-U-K. Is first name Farouk?
Farouk?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yes, good. Okay, good. Let's try another one. We'll go back to our activities. We'll do P2 now, practice number 2. Let's look at the book first so we don't get confused. Oopsies. Remember, they were talking to each other. We heard Hi, welcome to school. I'm Martina. Let's meet some students and teachers. Remember, this is Mrs. Carter. Good morning. I am your English teacher. My name is Mrs. Carter. What is your name? Let's try to make the conversation with some of the words we heard the teacher and students say. So Miguel says, hi, my name is Miguel. What's your?
I am.
What's your name? What's your name? Can you say that? What's your name?
What is your name?
Very good. She says, my
name is
Gia. Good. My name is Gia. Miguel says, how do you spell that? J-I-A. What is your
Is your speak
last?
last
What is your last name?
last name?
Very good. Kim. My name is Gia Kim. Nice to
Me you.
Very good. Nice to meet you, Gia. See you in class. She says, bye, Miguel.
Bye.
See you.
See you. Bye.
See you.
See you.
Later.
Later.
Okay, let's try again. Hi, my name is Miguel. What's your name? Can you say it? Hi.
Hi. My name is Miguel. What is your name?
Good. My name is Gia.
My name is Gia.
Good. How do you spell that?
How do you spell that?
Good. J-I-A.
J-I-A.
What's your last name?
What's your last name?
Kim. My name is Gia Kim.
My name is Gia Kim.
Good. Nice to meet you, Gia. See you in class.
Nice to meet you. Just see you in class.
See you in class.
See you in class.
Good. Bye, Miguel. See you later.
Bye, nigga. See you later.
Good. Good job, Tawar. Okay. Let's do a little more practice. We'll do practice book 1 now. Ready?
Good.
Okay, we're going to write the names. Do you remember the names of these kids? Who is this? Is it Alejandra, Lynn, Farouk, Mr. Miller, Jorge, or Mrs. Carter? Who was this boy? Do you remember the name? Is this Alejandra, Tawar? Who is this, Tawar?